Great interest is manifested in the electric apparatus at the local exhibition, the capable organizer of which is very enthusiastic in following the development of electricity and all electrical appliances. Full stop. Paragraph change. Our representative on the council is responsible for the negligence of the reform, and our committee is of the unanimous opinion that in the future its support cannot be given to one who has shown so much neglect of his duties, and it purposes nominating another and a better candidate for the November elections. Full stop. Paragraph change. Yesterday, the investment was sanctioned by those interested in the improvement of the association, and it was hoped that its previous position would soon be recoverable. Full stop. When the association becomes incorporated, its certificate should be recognized by all similar organizations, some of which have shown considerable opposition towards it, and displayed an inexcusable temper when the committee refused to relinquish the policy formulated several weeks ago. Full stop. Close.